Hello everybody, my name is Sunshine and welcome back to my channel. And I have to tell you that I absolutely I'm in love with nature. So if you love nature too, then you'll fall in love with this video. Let's go explore, guys. This plant here is fern, and my mum told me that they used to eat this in Philippines, just like a salad. As we walked further through the Isabella plantation, we met lots of different plants and flowers. Look at these. Beautiful. I love the fact that there's many different colors too. And it was a blast having this with my friends. And this was me holding the tree in my hand.
Yes. I think that picture is.
That's nice. Send it to me. Girls, this way. Look.
I'm just sweeping the snow. Don't mind me. Wait. Oh. I inhaled. Did a drop. Why did you put your back on the floor? Because you're pushing that as well.
So, yeah, I climbed the tree. Yeah, and I broke it. And then I broke it even more. And then Kyla, the one with not frizzy hair, the one not frizzy hair, she actually took the tree off it. I don't know how to explain. And she took it out from the bushes, and my mom figured out that it was dead, and there was no plants on it, sadly. And so I just walked around like a maniac, just carrying a whole tree, and everyone was staring at me. And I think you already saw that video, but yeah.
Toilet next.
These are mini daisies. This is a special thank you to Nina Maricel and Nino Albert for giving us a ride to the park. Here there was actually lots of blue dragonflies. Yeah, I think you saw them there. And look, there's birds making nests. And yeah, if you listen closely, you can hear the birds singing.